Let us see limitations of dimensional analysis. Limitations means the boundary line above which the concept is ineffective. Okay, it does not give. First one is that it does not inform about whether the physical quantity is vector or a scalar. It does not give information whether the physical quantity is vector or a scalar. Dimensional analysis does not tell whether the physical quantity is a vector or a scalar. It does not differentiate. It does not tell the clear picture whether the physical quantity is a vector quantity or a scalar quantity. Also, another one, no information about dimensionless constant. Okay, no information. It does not give any information about dimensionless constant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Pi is also a dimensionless constant. Okay, there is no information. These are dimensionless. It does not deal with these constants. Okay, so here it is limited. Dimensional analysis concept is limited. It is also limited in trigonometric functions, logarithmic function, exponential function, because these have no dimensions. We can write it here. The third point is we cannot derive the formula containing. We cannot derive formula because we have already studied dimensional analysis is used to derive a formula, but there is a limitation. We cannot derive formula containing trigonometric function, logarithmic function, containing logarithmic function. It's or we can also tell exponential function also. Why we cannot derive formula containing trigonometric, logarithmic and exponential function? Because what? These are dimensionless. Because these functions are dimensionless, means no dimension. Trigonometric function, logarithmic function and exponential function have no dimension. So we cannot derive any formula where trigonometric function, logarithmic function or exponential function is involved. Okay, so this is also a limitation of dimensional analysis, that is the concept of dimensions. Now another one, there is one more limitation, that is it is not effective where there are more than 3 factors are governing. Okay, that is if a quantity depends on more than 3 factors having dimensions, the formula cannot be derived. Okay, we cannot derive formula where there are more than governing factors. Do you know why we cannot derive formula where there are more than 3 governing factors are involved in dimensional analysis? Because if there are more than, so here up to here we will get when we will try to derive the formula when there are more than 3 governing factors, it means there we will get more than 3 variables. Equations with more than 3 variables means 4 equations to solve, which is not possible. Okay, we compute only 3 unknowns. Okay, so it cannot be effective to derive a formula with more than 3 governing factors, means more than 3 variables, and mathematically it is very tough to find the solution with more than 3 variables. Okay, these were 4 limitations of dimensional analysis.